Otherwise, I see the competition of civilization concepts. I read new ideas to see if there is anything in them. It is not possible for any civilization to contribute anything to humanity without a foundation of recognizing, loving, and respecting God, without the presence of Allah, because God created life and He governs it. We create innovative things with our sharp minds and only pursue them for a limited period of time, striving for originality. So, humanity, one day chasing after Marx, the next day chasing after someone else, and another day coming up with new alternative theories from the devil's perspective, isn't difficult at all. Unless a person is content with serving God, they will repeatedly fall into the deception of Satan, creating and chasing after different derivatives of civilization, only to realize later that there is nothing substantial in this civilization, leading to chaos. From here we couldn't derive peace, tranquility, or happiness. Now from such a perspective by incorporating instruction and discipline into the younger generations, especially as a part of education, this makes it possible to appreciate the divine will both in creation and sustenance. If people do not embark on life by learning, they will not be at peace with themselves. They cannot be at peace with society if they are not at peace with themselves. No distribution satisfies them. Even if you move from one position to another, in the event that you criticize based on other things, dissatisfaction will turn into rebellion against you, and when there is no social peace, law and order disappear, leading to other troubles where people start killing, cutting, and harming each other, creating a chaotic and dangerous environment that is detrimental to the well-being of society. The current situation that the world is facing shows how fragile, baseless, and devoid of mercy the so-called civilization they have built, which is like a virus, actually is. Because it is not related to God, a relationship with God has not been established. No approach, no system can provide mercy, direction, peace, and satisfaction to humanity. It is impossible, it cannot be, because it misses a truth like the owner of life.